Oh, for those of you who love Pogi, you will be astonished, disgusted even, to see this is the laziest dog in the world. Look. He lies down to have his food. Now, even Golden will sit there with some form of dignity and eat her food. Pogi, look. You might also look at the size of Pogi now. He's getting big. I mean, look at Golden there. Oh, stand up. You're a disgrace. Pogi. Well, that's it. That's the exhibition over. Now back to the way that animals should eat.
And he's gonna sleep now.
Good on you, Golden. You're keeping the iron up. Bye for now.
Pogi, you're not finished your food yet. Pogi, finish your food.
What?
I said to Pogi to finish his food. But he's too lazy to finish that. He's tired. It's been a long day for you, right?
Now Golden wants to go out.
No, just... Oh, he's back. At that. Golden. Yeah, so that's our glimpse of our Golden and Pogi. And how lazy Pogi is. And every day, Pogi has always been in the rice field. I think if Pogi is a human, he's a farmer.